this is the first lesson for the data analysis unit. It's really an introduction, and we're going to be talking about different types of questions and data. It is a lot of information, but as you are looking at data that you collect in surveys or you're looking at charts, this is important vocabulary to know. So let's get started. A statistical question, the answers will vary from person to person. So you might say a statistical question could be a birth date. If you go and you ask students in your class when they were born, that what month, what day, that's a statistical question. It could also be, noticing the hair color of the different students in your class. So the variability, this word will be used a lot, is how many different answers are possible from your statistical question. So when we say how many different answers are possible, we're not looking just for a number. For the variability, it could be a low variability, it could be a medium one. Sorry, I'm trying to scrunch this in. Medium, or it could even be a high variability. So usually the two words that are used is does it have a low? Does it have a high variability? Distribution is actually the collection of all your values of the statistical question. And from your distribution, then you're going to be making possible charts, frequency tables, histograms, bar graphs, to show your results. So are the following questions statistical? Remember, statistical will vary from person to person. What size shoe does each person wear? All right, well, I'm thinking about students in my class, and that is definitely statistical. A lot of different answers would be given. How many students passed the math test? And this is in your class, or it could be just from a teacher that's, just one teacher. And when you're talking about this is not statistical. Everyone would have the same answer. All right, now we're going to talk about types of variables. Well, we have a categorical variable in its data that is collected about categories. Well, you might say, well, what kind of categories? It could be your favorite movie. If you asked different people, they would come up with different answers for that. So let's look at what numerical variables may be. It is data measured in numbers. So when you're talking about data measured in numbers, it could be weight. It could be weight of a pet, weight of people in your class. But, whenever you're talking about, you're measuring something with a number like we do with weight. So it says identify the variables as categorical or numerical. All right, well, your favorite ice cream. And I'm just going to use a C for categorical and an N for numerical. So your favorite ice cream. Well, that definitely kind of is like your favorite movie. So that's categorical. The time it takes to travel to school. That variable is going to be different for everyone, but see this word time? So we know that this one is numerical. The area code of your phone number, the first 3 digits. Now be careful with this one, because this one is tricky. You think, it's numbers, so it has to be numerical. But we could group people that live in the 813 area code, which is Tampa, Florida. Or we could do 513, which is in Ohio. So believe it or not, even though they talk about the number, the first 3 digits of your phone number, this one is categorical because you could make a barcode for your results. And the length of your foot, when we're talking about, measurement and everything, again, that is numerical. Just the beginning of a lot of vocabulary when we're talking about the different types of information we'll be collecting in our data analysis unit. If this video was helpful to you today, please add a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more Math with Marcia. See you again soon.